Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you how to create QR code and barcode with the help of simple steps. So first let's start with the barcode installation. So to create a barcode in Excel, first you need to download the font. So here I have given the steps to download the font. So starting off with, you can type this keyword in Google, which is code 39 barcode font for Excel. Then you will find this link. So I will also share this link in the video description. You can download the font from there as well. Once you download the font, then you need to install the font in your system, right? Once after installing the font, then open the Excel, right? Once you open the Excel, you need to go to the font menu, font drop down menu, where you will find the font which you have installed, right? So that is a procedure which you need to follow for installing the barcode font in Excel, right? The same, and also today we will be learning about the dynamic formula to change the barcode, and also how to generate a QR code, and what is the add-on to install the QR code, right? So we will be learning this, discussing this in this video. So let's get started. Don't worry about the link. I will share the link in the video description. You can even check it from there. Let's get into the video, right? So here we have one table which has QR code and one for barcode. First, let's look at the barcode column. So, so I have already installed the barcode font in my system. So I will show you how what is the font name. So here I have a sample data of barcode number. So this is just a sample data I've given for understanding purpose. So to add a to create a barcode here, either you can directly select this cell, and you can go to the font drop down, and you can type ID. So this is a font which you need to download. That is called ID automation free version, right? So this is the font which you need to install it. So if you click on it, the barcode will get inserted here, right? But I don't want like this, because suppose if I want to change the barcode, then again I have to uh, go back and recreate, edit the input data, right? So to avoid that, what I will do is, instead of directly applying the barcode on this data, I will apply the barcode here with the help of a dynamic formula. So let's see how that works. I'm undoing now. So right now here I will write a simple dynamic formula. Uh, so that formula will help you to recorrect the data here. Even if the data is wrong, you can recorrect and the barcode will automatically change, right? So the formula is equal to double quotations, open bracket, double quotations, and symbol. Then select the field where we have the barcode data. Once again, and symbol, close the double quotation, close the bracket, and once again close the double quotation, and hit enter. Right now you can see we have added the formula to this barcode data, right? Let's add the same to this data as well. So click, keenly observe the formula here, so you will understand it. Open bracket, once again double quotation, and symbol, select the cell data. So and double quotation, close the bracket, and once again double quotation, and hit enter. Right. I'm copying the same value here. Right. Now you can see we have applied the formula to this barcode data, right? Now let's merge it, and align it center. Now you can apply the barcode font to this data directly. So I'm going to the font drop down. I'm typing ID automation, and now you can see the barcode has been applied. So what is the difference between directly applying the barcode data to this one and this one? The only difference is the only difference is if I have any changes to be made in this barcode. For example, if I want to replace this one with some other uh, text here, so it could be anything. So this will automatically get updated, right? So here you can see the alphabets got automatically updated. So that is the main functionality of this formula, which you can use to generate the barcodes, right? Now let's again insert the barcode to this one. Select the formula, which is ID automation. Click enter. Once again select this, click on ID automation and click enter. So this way you can create the barcode using the dynamic formula. So I hope you understood this one, the method of creating the barcode. Now let's move on to the QR code option. So to create a QR code in Excel, you need to first add the add-on. So you need to install the add-on. So here we install the font, right? But for QR code, we need to install the add-on. To install the add-on, go to the Insert tab. Here you will find My Add-ins, right? Click on that, and here click on the store, and here you need to type QR code and hit enter. Now you need to install this add-on here, QR4 for Office. So once you install this add-on, you can find the add-on in the same drop down here. If I click on the drop down, I can see the add-on has been installed, right? So that is the procedure to install the add-on. Now let's click on this add-on. Now I got the add-on here. Now let me input any link here. So I will input my YouTube channel link here. So let's see how it works. So I can remove the HTTPS thing because we have the option here. So let me select this, and you can also change the color and background of this QR codes. It's up to you. So I'm selecting this red color now, and background let me white, and even you can adjust the size of this QR code. And once everything is done, click on insert. Now you can see I have inserted the QR code here, right? So this is my channel QR code, right? So this is how you can create the QR code. Now let's create another QR code for this Instagram. So once again go to the add-on, click on that QR for Office and select this here. So you can create add-ons for this types of so it could be any website, mail, telephone, anything, even the Geo SMS or anything. You can create the add-on. Right now I'm adding the Instagram website here and click on insert. Now I've added the Instagram website also. Even you can resize the QR code. And now the last one, which is Google. So let me add the link to this as well. Right now I'll change the color for this and keep it. Right now I've inserted the QR codes as well. Now if you want, you can even test this QR code. You can scan it from my screen and let me know if it is working or not, because these QR codes will definitely work. So if you want, you can scan this and you can subscribe to my channel as well. right? Yeah, let me know if these QR codes are working and comment below in my video, and let me know if these QR codes are working or not. Right, so this is the way how we can create barcode and QR codes in Excel. So for barcodes, we need to install the font. So the font you can find it from here. You can download it from this link. I will update the link in the video description. And for QR codes, you can install the add-on, right? So you can go here and install this add-on, which is QR for Office, right? So I hope you understood the method of creating barcode and QR code. If you have any questions, comment below. I will reply to them. Uh, Thanks for watching.